So I should make a small correction. I've used the word Anushastra, but obviously Siraveda doesn't come under Anushastra. But you know, the idea is to get into parasurgicals. Let me use that word, more appropriate. And I don't know how much is going to bounce for the first years and second years, because that's not your subject. But there are some things, when I was way back in 97, 98, as a young student, 96, 97, 98, there are many things I had in a blink. I really wish that this generation doesn't blink that much. But let us start with one of India's greatest heroes, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When I was called to his office in 1998 for something, I don't have to say that now, but it was an honor to be called to his office and to stand in front of him for about 25 minutes, and whatever happened there, it was fantastic. I think we should start with such a great personality as inspiration. Next. So again, simple questions. No, are we unavoidable to the public? Have you realized your strength and weakness? Next. And how much experience we have had, incorporated the wealth of experience, and have we documented these cases very methodologically? And why I say this to you, you know, there are some very credulent doctors, so famous, earning more than 6 digits a month. I'm sorry to say there are also doctors not even 5 digits a month. Not even. So there's a big gap. I'm not talking of socialism, please don't mistake me. I'm talking of a common standard of all the doctors economically. And why does it not happen? They're also learning Ayurveda science, I understand. The books are the same, the methods are the same. There's some inequality. These things you will realize when you have passed out. For jolly apply salary A, B, C, D and another. So it's not reaching alphabet E. And we all know, with all respect to all the workers who are called blue-collar job, it is a wrong terminology for me, but still, you call it coolie class, whichever, with all respect to them. A coolie person would be having easily per day 700 rupees to 800. And does it really work? The entire 8 hours? I'll keep my mouth shut on that topic. But when an Ayurvedic doctor passing out from the college and the salary offered to him, I want to keep my mouth shut on that. So, next. These things you will realize when you're passing out. And of course, we need a common platform where all the knowledge can be put in one place. There is no dearth of information in Ayurveda or the experience. We know there are some doctors, they're not even available for next 2 months in Ayurveda. And this vice versa is happening. So we need to think from that social context. We'll get into hard subjects for sure. We'll get into that, but still, next. And how much society gets benefit from us? And how much class of people can we approach? I'm a government service doctor. My basic pay would be like 5,400. So assuming I'm taking back 45,000 or 50,000 rupees to my home, if I want to get admitted in an Ayurvedic private hospital, I'm sorry, my salary, 2 months salary will be over in about 2 to 3 weeks time. So we need to think on that. We need to be realistic. So how much class of society are we reaching, the strata? We know homeopathic is very cheap in its expenses. And fortunately, our previous Vaidyas of previous generations did not have homeopaths to compete with. But ours is a different story. It's a matter of survival also. We'll get into hard topics. I just want to socially prepare you. So I'll get into hard topics. Next. So how much variety of diseases Ayurveda? It was a science that was catering to the Indian subcontinent, but it is now a science which is not spread all over the Indian subcontinent, obviously. So it has a merit which is perhaps masked, and it's our task to see that it's happening in a good manner. And our methods are affordable. Have you ever thought of that? One LKD would cost you 700 rupees easily. But when that LKD is being done, do you have these many results happening? Somebody may debate, if I have a beer or a whiskey, I have some benefit on the spot, which doesn't cost 700 rupees perhaps. Somebody may debate. So these are the challenges an Ayurvedic doctor would have to listen to if you get into practice. That's again how much you value yourself. If you don't give yourself the worth, Do you think the society will give a care about you? I don't think so. So these thoughts need to be started very early, not when the internship is getting over. And can we afford 50 rupees and below per day expense of medicine? Is it possible? See, I have been kind of foul-mouthing and complaining and negative thoughts being communicated to you in the very beginning. I definitely have a solution in my mind. I would never say a problem that doesn't have a solution. But then, the first step to success is to know the problems you face. If you know the problems, you start to work for solutions. Next. So, what I have done is all those realistic cure prospects. ഡിസ്ക് തന്നെ വന്നു ഡോക്ടറിന് എത്ര സമയം കൊണ്ട് എത്ര പൈസയ്ക്ക് എത്ര കുറവ് എനിക്ക് തരാൻ പറ്റും. We have answers for it. But does the whole community know it? And that should be known to every community. The allopathic students don't have to go everywhere to study from famous practitioners because everything is documented and everyone has access to that common platform. But does it happen with Ayurvedic students? എനിക്ക് ഈ രോഗത്തിൽ ഇത്രയും കുറവ് കിട്ടിയാൽ അത് എത്ര നാൾ നിലനിൽക്കും, എപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് രോഗം തിരിച്ചു വരും, ഡോക്ടർ എന്ത് ഗ്യാരണ്ടിയാണ് ഉള്ളത്? My small son, even just his 8.5, Agnivesh his name, the website is in his name, so even he is asking me, next generation kids as they are, smart or over smart, whatever they are, അച്ഛാ എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് വേദന കുറയും, എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് വേദന കുറയുമെന്നല്ല. And I'm sure other second people junior to him, maybe Vivek's child may ask, "Acha, etra second und vedana horai." Vivek's child is 3 years old. So we have to be that competitive, and it is possible. Every word I say, I may sound pessimistic or complaining, but it has a definite solution. Next. So this is all yours. The reason is simple. As a medical profession, we need to value the time, money, and faith somebody is investing on us. It is very important. Once you have that thought embedded in your mind, pinna it's fire. Then you really fight fire. Next. Yes, more than 40 years ago, the couple you see were among you in the corridors of your college. You know, when it comes to teachers, this slide is dedicated to him, this section. I have dedication for every slide. Dr. K. Shankaran revolutionized Tridosha concept and application in the academics. He's no more, but he is a product of your own college, both of them. And he was so good to his students that he even allowed in his private home OPD at least even up to 8 to 10 students at a time. And that is exceptional greatness. It's exceptional greatness. He was my mentor, of course, many other hundreds of doctors. One thing I would like to tell, and we finish this section, is we say, in China they say very easily, a proverb, you give a man a fish a day, you feed him for the day. Teach a man how to catch the fish, you feed him for the lifetime. I would just use that proverb for what he has done to me and many other hundreds of doctors. It's always nice to be thankful to one's teacher. Always nice. Those who really help you. He was one such for many of us. Actually, all of us who he touched in terms of being a professor or as a clinician. This is dedicated to this couple because they had a lot of compromises made in their personal life only for the sake of teaching students. And if I stand before you, it's a huge thing is his contribution. Many other teachers, of course, but I started in a big way with him. So we go to next. That's why I mentioned, and his unforgettable family.